Japan's nuclear journey did not end with tragedy. It only shifted into its most critical chapter. After Fukushima, the world expected Japan to abandon nuclear power forever. But the story took an unexpected turn. In 2011, the Fukushima Daiichi meltdown shook Japan's confidence to the core. All 54 reactors were shut down. Public trust collapsed. Energy security became fragile. For the first time in decades, Japan faced a future without nuclear power. Without nuclear energy, Japan desperately turned to imported fossil fuels. Oil, coal, and natural gas filled the gap, but at a massive cost. Electricity prices soared. Carbon emissions spiked. Factories struggled. Households paid more. The nation felt the pressure. Japan needed a stable, cleaner, long-term solution. So, Japan didn't simply fix nuclear safety, it reinvented it. The Nuclear Regulation Authority, or NRA, was created. Its new standards became some of the strictest in the world. Reinforced tsunami barriers, multiple independent backup power systems, enhanced earthquake-proof structures, and redundant emergency control centers. Every single reactor had to pass these tests or never operate again. Restarting a reactor was not easy. Each plant underwent years of inspections, upgrades, and community negotiations. Some were approved, some were permanently shut down. But slowly, carefully, and with unprecedented caution, Japan began turning the lights back on. For years, most of the nation opposed nuclear energy, but as energy prices rose, as climate concerns intensified, and as Japan's reliance on foreign fuel deepened, opinions began to shift. Today, more people see nuclear power not as a danger, but as a necessity. A partner to renewables, a bridge to a sustainable future. Japan's nuclear identity was changing again. Japan, ICE just restarting yesterday. S technology at S building tomorrow. S small modular reactors. Designed for enhanced safety, high-temperature gas reactors that can operate efficiently and resist meltdowns. Fusion research that could redefine global energy. Japan is investing not just in power, but in leadership. Japan's nuclear rebirth is not a return to the past. It is as a transformation forged by tragedy, strengthened by science, and driven by the future. But this revival is only the beginning. In Part 3, we explore how Japan's nuclear comeback is changing Asia's energy landscape and why powerful nations are now competing for nuclear dominance. Don't miss the next chapter. Subscribe, tap the bell icon, and stay tuned for Part 3.